Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a whole house clean with me, and I will be starting with my bedroom. I will be washing my sheets and my duvet cover, and I will be using the Gain Botanicals laundry detergent and fabric softener, and this one is in the orange blossom and vanilla scent. When I wash my bedding, I like to use some type of sanitizer, whether it's bleach or a laundry additive, and this one is by Lysol, and I just go ahead and add it in with my laundry detergent. So I didn't get to show you guys the other day when I did my video on my bathroom reveal, but my husband custom made these drawers here. As you can see, he cut out a hole in the middle so we can close it. These are actually kitchen cabinet drawers, and he cut the hole in the middle so they would be easy to close, and it's really nice because they are sectioned off too for my makeup and other things. So I am going to use the Method Daily Granite, and this one is in the orange tangerine scent, and I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth, and I will use this cleaner to clean my countertops in my bathroom, and I will also use it when I clean the countertops in the boys' bathroom, and I will be using the Method Glass and Surface Spray in mint scent for the mirrors. To clean my shower, I will be using the Clorox Daily Shower Cleaner, and to clean the glass doors, I will be using the Method Glass and Surface Spray in mint scent. So I had a subscriber suggest that I try super hot water and white vinegar to mop my floors, and I'm really not a fan of the white vinegar, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I haven't really found something that I love mopping these tile floors, so I'm gonna give the vinegar a try, and hopefully the smell is not too overwhelming.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
I will clean the outside of the toilet and the floors with the Clorox urine remover. I always use this in the kids' bathroom.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problem.
To clean my stair railing, I will use the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean, and this is in the almond scent.
You like me just the way I am, and I will like you just the way you are.
So the last thing that I will do upstairs is quickly run the vacuum, and then I will put my sheets in the dryer, and then I will start cleaning the kitchen.
What you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
To wash my dishes, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap in geranium scent.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, do what you like to.
So I really wanted to give my kitchen a really good clean today, so I took everything off my countertops and I used a really hot soapy rag and I wiped down my backsplash and my countertops with that. Then I took my cleaner and I was using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day all-purpose spray and honeysuckle scent, and I just sprayed my countertops down with that and wiped them clean.
I know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Beautiful, baby. You're beautiful. you in that spotlight. Looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I noticed that my duvet cover wasn't completely dry, so I just put that back in the dryer for a few minutes. Then I went back and finished a few other things around the house.
Until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight. Looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
So to mop my floors downstairs, I'm using the same thing that I used upstairs in my bathroom. I'm using the really hot water, white vinegar, but I also added a few drops of dish soap, the geranium scent, and then I'm gonna add a couple drops of geranium essential oil. And it's because I don't like the smell of vinegar, so let's see how it turns out. So in my opinion, it did smell better and it cut that vinegar smell, but I just can't get over the vinegar smell. So I don't know. I'm gonna use it a few more times because I do like the way it cleans. And the person that did suggest this to me, she was right. Once the floors are dry, you cannot smell it at all anymore. So, and I do like the fact that I'm not using chemicals, so I will give it a few more tries, and if I absolutely can't tolerate it anymore, I will try to switch to something a little more natural, but I really want to stay away from the harsh floor cleaners.
You wanna do, I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. Side. Be who you are and you'll be enough.
that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever.
Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation to clean your house. And I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And be sure that notification bell is turned on, and be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.
Fingers when he turns and walks away. Yes, there we go.